What's up, YouTube?
What up?
Pass me that y'all, bitch, I'm on that y'all tree. Y'all could donker listen, bitch, I'm on that y'all, and it got me paranoid. Y'all trick, this that y'all, bitch, y'all could donker listen, bitch, I'm rolling bud, and it got me paranoid. Y'all
Damn,
trick,
son, where'd you find this?
Y'all could donker listen, trick, I'm on that y'all, and it got me paranoid. Y'all trick, just that y'all, bitch, y'all could donker listen, bitch, I'm rolling bud, and it got me paranoid. Y'all talk slick, your bitch here, y'all. She wanted the y'all. Flickered on pillow talk. He just made the work bubble. Not no Air Max with the mini air bubble. Ain't no rock in my sock, cause I got the jaw holder. Bitch that screaming, man, don't call me. Maybe some mega butter, man.
What's up, YouTube? This Dr. Trey, the Flicker Man, and you're tuned in to another episode of Whips and Flips. Alright, today, you guys, if you watched a couple videos back when I was doing video about the tail lights, I think it was, might have been, I'm not sure, but one of them videos I did about the Tahoe, you see the front plastic piece was cracked up and stuff. So I'm out here now getting that piece, and be bringing y'all the video of me putting that on and replacing it. So, alright, you guys, here we go. Got a Tahoe over there, getting a piece off. You got a lot of old schools out here in this junkyard. Seen a lot of shit out here. A lot of rims too. Seen some 6s, some 4s, deuces. A whole bunch of sets in here. Alright, you guys, we're back from the junkyard there. Getting the old one off there. As you can see, big crack in it. Got them smoked out headlights. Thinking about doing the tail lights next. I might get some fog lights.
You really gotta come out first. Then you gotta get your other piece out.
I seen them things before. What they was on? They was on that on something else I did. I think that bumper or something. Or it was some on that light assembly, I think.
Yeah.
Light assembly on that 05 Trailblazer. And that one cracked up.
No. I pulled the seat. I pulled the damn thing out first.
Oh no, you know what the thing was on there? I seen that's how them license plate holders was on there too, some things like that. Yeah, I seen something like that, yeah. His light broke, huh?
No, I don't think it's broke. They can say it's a screw or something missing.
All right, go to the one I got out the junkyard. Looking much better now. Got the old cracked up one off of there. Little update for y'all on the 01 Tahoe. Probably gonna get the tail lights next. I'll let y'all know what I had to do to it. I got the puddle lights installed in there. I'll let y'all know what I had to go through that. Took a little trial and error, but got them going, so. Yep, tail lights gonna be next. I'm probably gonna get some smoked out LEDs. You know what I'm saying? Just try to set it off. I seen a couple sets on Amazon come with the smoked out third brake light too, so all three of those lights be changed. So I'm trying to see what's up with these fog lights too. They ain't coming on. We just checked the fuses and stuff. Could be a relay. Gotta do some more tests and stuff. See what's going on. They got the LED bulbs in there already. Top has got the LED bulbs, then they got them down there. The fog light, when I hit the button, it's not doing nothing, so but we're gonna see what's up with that. So, alright, you guys, stay tuned in, man. We got plenty more projects to come, plenty more vehicles coming to the channel real soon. You know, like I say, sky's the limit, so we only up from here, you guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know. Keep the channel going, keep it pumping, you know what I'm saying? Alright, catch y'all on the next one, man.
Mudville nigga trapping hard on the back end. Flick a man straight, he just went on the back end. So ho, bring that back, cause bitch, this a business. Think that money make you hard, well I'm here to hurt your feelings. Jack one track, blow your career off the map. Think you hard body till that gauge weighing out. Know you got a body, but it don't mean nothing to me. Killed your best friend because he fucked your old lady. Now do you feel glad? Do it really make you feel better? That's why y'all handling business. She still tricking off, nigga. You can't understand, cause you treat her so good. The bitch hardcore, she sliced no shit with Eskimos.